Hi, my name's Heather Martin and I'm the Senior Lecturer and Course Leader on BA Hons Fashion Design at Arts University Plymouth. Our fashion design course is your space to innovate, challenge conventions, and define your creative voice. You'll develop core skills like design, pattern cutting, and sustainable practices while learning to transform ideas into striking collections. Tailor your learning by specializing in areas such as menswear, womenswear, knitwear, and gain expertise to stand out in this dynamic industry. Work on live industry briefs and collaborate with brands like Finisterre, Hyatt Denim, Phoebe English. As part of our Creative University environment, you'll work with photographers, filmmakers, and graphic designers. You'll finish the course with a final collection and professional lookbook ready to showcase at industry events. Placements with renowned names like Alexander McQueen, Vivienne Westwood, and Christopher Rayburn will give you real-world experience, preparing you for a career in design, consultancy, or styling. Our fashion studio is designed for experimentation and creativity, with access to cutting-edge tools and industry-standard software like Adobe Creative Suite and CAD pattern cutting software like Gerber. Learn to navigate global trends through WGSN and build your knowledge of sustainable design and the commercial supply chain. Our lecturers are experienced professionals giving you industry insights that go beyond textbooks. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. With a dynamic cultural scene, including museums, galleries, shopping, and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes, Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities, and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our fashion design course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.